Welcome to Graphite Hub's interview series, a series dedicated to all things graphite. We're here today at CarbonScape's facility in Blenheim, New Zealand, a company turning wood chips into graphite. And we're doing this podcast with the CEO, Ivan Williams. Welcome to the series, Ivan.
It's great to be here, Harry, and thanks for having me on the podcast. It's a real pleasure to share what we're building here at CarbonScape and to talk about some of the major themes shaping the graphite and battery materials world at present. Things like the need for secure supply, the pressure to reduce emissions, and the race to scale new technologies such as ours fast to meet the global EV demand.
So, Ivan, would you be able to start off providing an overview of CarbonScape?
Yeah, here at CarbonScape, we turn sustainably sourced wood chip into high-performance biographite for lithium-ion batteries. And graphite is critical here, as you well know, Harry, as it makes up to 40% of a battery's raw materials. So instead of mining it or producing it from fossil fuels, we use a renewable, low-cost feedstock and a novel low-temperature continuous process to make a battery-grade biographite with dramatically lower emissions. Our aim is simple: de-risk the lithium-ion battery supply chain by providing a cost-effective, scalable, low-emission biographite material to the global battery market.
And Ivan, so what problems are you trying to solve within the graphite and battery material market?
Basically, Harry, with electrification accelerating, a global shortage of graphite material is looming, and battery makers will soon need more graphite faster than traditional production can supply. So in addressing this shortfall, I want to call out three things. Firstly, we deliver a performance product at low cost, and that's thanks to the novel technology that we built here at CarbonScape. Secondly, our technology means it is rapidly scalable, and we can produce a reliable source of graphite anywhere in the world, and that reduces that exposure to concentrated supply chains. And thirdly, we cut emissions by almost 90% compared with fossil-based synthetic graphite. All these things together means that this solution meets product performance, cost requirements, while also addressing market volume constraints, supply chain concentrations, and importantly, we lower industry emissions.
There's a lot of players in the graphite and anode space, Ivan. At Graphite Hub, I track close to about 100 companies in the space. So what sets CarbonScape apart from the competition?
Harry, I'd start with our world-first technology. We produce graphite continuously through a low energy intensity conversion process, and that process operates at less than half the temperature of a traditional synthetic graphite process. What that means is that it's very cost efficient. In addition, it's modular and can be scaled rapidly. Feedstock is another important item. We produce graphite from sustainably grown wood chips. And wood chip is abundant. It's safe, it's globally available, and it comes from a low cost base, and it has a low price volatility as compared to traditional graphite feedstocks. Finally, there is emissions. We have one of the lowest emission profiles in the graphite industry, and that's highly prized. Together, these give CarbonScape a unique position in the battery materials market, and this is resonating loudly with battery makers globally.
And we're here in Blenheim, New Zealand, but CarbonScape is operating within a very large global market. How do you balance this?
We see New Zealand as a real strength. It's where we initially developed and proved the technology. But our commercial model is, of course, global. We plan to build biographite plants close to battery customers worldwide, especially in Europe and North America, where supply chain security and economics are the most challenged. Our Blenheim facility, where we're sitting here now, this is our technology hub. The large-scale plants will be built wherever the EV demand is. This is a Kiwi innovation, but with an international build-out.
It's been fantastic, Ivan, to be here today, to be interviewing you and to be having a tour of the facility here. It sounds like there's a lot happening at the moment. Would you mind sharing what's next for CarbonScape?
A busy time here for the 30-strong team here at CarbonScape as we move from pilot to commercial scale. And the team is razor-focused on finalizing full product development with the battery partners ahead of entering supply agreements. Parallel, it's engaging with scale-up partners to accelerate deployment, and also about growing this impressive team while continuing to refine and optimize the technology here in New Zealand. The business momentum that we've created is strong, and now it's all about getting biographite into the market as scale and as fast as possible.
Well, Ivan, it's been fantastic to chat today. Thank you for coming on Graphite Hub's interview series, and we look forward to having you on again sometime soon.
Thanks for having me, Harry. It's been great to share what we're building here at CarbonScape. The battery industry is evolving, it's growing incredibly fast, and biographite will play a major role in meeting the demand going forward. I'm looking forward to catching up again and sharing our development.
Thanks everyone for tuning into this episode of Graphite Hub's interview series. We'll see you next time.